I know that Cebu has had its share of events, but today it's dry and it's better to be hot and dry than I guess wet during the recent typhoons. And I know Cebu experienced a lot of these difficulties, and so our hearts go out to our Cebuano friends and neighbors here. But just to let you know, McDonald's has responded also. We've provided 20,000 hot meals to our frontliners and to the communities in need. And I was telling the mayor also earlier that we have a project this coming Christmas to continue to help. We are giving away 5,000 happy meals through the LGU, Cebu City LGU.
Wow.
For those affected. Anyway, later we'll have a signing ceremony with the mayor also and Peson and Dole, because we have committed also to hire 100 senior citizens.
Wow.
In our
Emma.
17 restaurants here in Cebu. We have 17 restaurants already in Cebu City. And in Cebu Province, we have 36. And we continue to grow. By the way, this store, Il Corso, as you can see, it's a beautiful development by Philinvest here, and they have, I think, 50 to 60 hectares here. And so we are excited to be here in this new community. And every McDonald's we open, we provide employment to the locals. Around 80 to 100 locals are employed in each McDonald's. So this store is also special because I don't know if you've noticed the facade of this store. It's one and only unique, not just in the Philippines but globally for McDonald's. So yung ating pattern and design is based on the Cebu design or indigenous, and it's ang tawag nila Solilia. I don't know if you're familiar with that pattern outside. So it's a beautiful restaurant. And of course inside we have what we call our latest design also. I think it's called the Ray design. It's named after McDonald's global founder Ray Kroc. Anyway, in the Philippines, McDonald's was founded by Dr. George Yang, my father, in 1981. So 44 years na po kami sa Philippines. And this year we have, by the end of the year, we will have 854 restaurants all over the Philippines. And we are really committed to growing in the country. In fact, today we have 70,000 employees across our system. And we hope to continue to grow in the years to come. But I also want to take the opportunity, since we're talking about anniversaries, to congratulate Philinvest on their 70th anniversary. 70th. And they have roots in Cebu, correct?
Yes.
So, such a big milestone. I attended the anniversary they had in Manila, and they have another one, I think, today. So, congratulations to our Philinvest partner and family na rin. Extended family ako ng Philinvest. Nag-attended family ngayon because my son-in-law is a Gotiano. So, but anyway, what else was I gonna say? Thank you again to everyone for coming. We're excited to sign something with the LGU later. Thank you so much.